What are you talking about?
Talking about Loveable. And the news going on with Loveable.
So basically, like, Loveable, well, everyone thought they got hacked yesterday. And the reason why is because, like, a bunch of hackers were, like, able to, like, get everyone's personal information. They were able to see, like, all their chats and all, pretty much everything on an account. So the hackers were like, yeah, like, we were posting, they were, like, friendly hackers, too. They were like, we were posting this and telling them about all these problems for a long time, and they just didn't do anything about it. So then, like, it became this huge scandal. And then Loveable comes out and basically says that they didn't get hacked because they actually made their product to be that way. So essentially, if you were a free user, all your chats were public by default, and you had to, like, go in and click some button to make it private, which sounds like totally crazy to most people. It's not as crazy as it sounds if you, like, are a coder and come from a coding thing, because that's actually how GitHub, where you store all your code, works. But yeah, like, they're just like us. They're marketing to, like, non-technical people. So, like, the, like, normal people audience, like, no one's just gonna assume that, like, all your chats are, like, public and available to everybody. You know, it'd be like going on Facebook and, like, having, like, all your, you know, DMs be public to everyone by default, and you actually have to know to go and put some, like, button in saying, no, I don't want the whole world to see all my DMs. So yeah, like, it was a big deal. I think, to me, it's, like, more gratuitous than a hack, because they actually thought that, like, that was, like, a reasonable design decision at some point. They did fix it. They fixed it a while ago, so this isn't even a problem anymore. But yeah, they were, like, there's still tons and tons of people that have built real business sites on it that these hackers are able to go back and just look up their stuff. So it's a really good example, though, of, like, why we're making Vibe Otter. Like, our philosophy is, like, we don't want anyone to have to think about anything like that. Like, we just do everything security related for you. It's all a nice packaged box. You might not be able to make all kinds of crazy design decisions like a coder would be, but we see it as, like, the Apple model, where it's like Apple controls all kinds of privacy for you without you realizing it or not, and it actually helps you a lot, and people kind of get that, and that's part of what they like about Apple. It's a nice closed ecosystem that just works for everyone. You just buy it, and it takes care of all this stuff that you don't ever have to worry about in your life for you. We're trying to do the same thing for AI, where if you want to come and build an app on us, all this, like, small stuff that coders worry about, you don't have to worry about. We just did it for you. It's just taken care of. You just type in, like, I want some CRM app, and out it comes, and it's actually secure and safe, and no one's going to read your customer's information and everything like that.